guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title above, this is an elf haul. So y'all, I have not shopped from elf in a while, and I decided to hit them up because I actually have not been buying them makeup or anything in a while, and I was like, you know what, they having a 50% off on certain selected products, so I was like, let me go ahead and take advantage of that. I can use a new few items, so and it's exactly what I did. So let's hop right into what I purchased. So the first thing I purchased is this elf fluffy eye blending brush, and it looks just like this. So let me take it out the package. Prices were here $4. I got it for $2. So next item I got is 2 detail crease brushes. These were originally $4 a piece. I paid $2 a piece for them. I'm going to open one. And both of them are cruelty free and vegan. So this is how it looks like. Another very small detailed crease brush. I might use this one like in the end, like to do a smoky look. So yes. So next thing I got is a few skin products, skin and makeup products. I did get a makeup mist and set in clear. This is 2 times the original. This is the biggest one. This right here retails for $7 by itself, and I paid $3.50 for it. Exactly how it looks like. I got this. I wanted some more setting spray because I tend to run out of setting spray so fast. So I was like, you know what? I bought 2 new ones. Why not buy another one? Because this one is not really too much matte. It's like, to me, more of a hydrating, dewy kind of setting spray. And I just got this. I got that. Next I got is a clear brow and lash mascara. This is how this looks like. It's come with 2 dewy sides. I basically use this for my brows. I don't use it for mascara purposes. I basically use it for my brows because I feel like my eyebrows need the needed more to be tamed more. Let me turn the line down. I think the line is too, okay, there we go. Line is a little better. But this is how it looks like. Comes with 2 sides. One's like for the eyelash, the other side is for eyebrows. But like I said, I used it for my eyebrows for both of them, and I really liked it. This was originally $2. I paid $1 for this. Next I got is this beautiful Bare Dewy setting mist in the coconut spray. This right here was originally $8. I paid $4 for this. Trying to remember the price, but this is how it looks like. So it looks just like this. I was trying to see that it had one of those balls in it, because I know with these matte setting spray that they used to have, it did, and I really didn't like that. But this one has a different design than that one did. So yeah, this is like a dewy setting mist spray. Next I bought is this elf prep and hydrating balm. Hydrate balm. I seen people, it had like 4.5 stars or something like that. So I decided to get it. It was originally $8 if I'm not mistaken. The prices will be down below, but I got it for $4, I think. And it looks just like this, a little tube. I never tried out nail one of these products, so I'm very curious to see how it works. I did try the setting spray and that eyebrow thing, but everything else I haven't. And it looks just like this. So I'm kind of curious to see how it used. Now with this one, it said you can use it to use like for your face, to prior to applying your makeup, Application: this clear cooling balm helps to hydrate and prep your skin for makeup application, enriched with purifying water, sheer, and vitamin E to help nourish to moisturize. And also on the box it did say you can use this for your face, hands, elbows, and knees. Now only thing is with this, I want to kind of see how it works without it, because if you can use it on any other part of your body, I feel like you can use it before you use it for foundation. But if it works with foundation, I will use it more for foundation because they do have it in a smaller size, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. So next I did get is this Elf Lip Exfoliating in Brown Sugar. This is originally $4. I got it for $2. I should have got 2 of these. But this right here is my favorite lip scrub from Elf because of the simple fact that I like this in a tube, and it's not like like you using your finger to scoop it out and all that, because doing all that can be a little tricky. But this how it looks like. I used to use this back in the day, and it works really well, and I really loved it. So it's very awesome. Next I got is this Elf Hydrating Coconut Mist. This is supposed to hydrate skin and refreshing makeup with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This right here originally is $8. I paid $4 for this as well, and I actually used this today. I used this with a combination of another product that I will show you in this haul, and I used it, and y'all, so far I am loving it. I actually use this product, so yes, I'm gonna show you in a minute. So next I have is this. I have 2 lip products. I have this one right here. This is the Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Praline Metal, and it looks just like this. Very pretty mauve color. Guess I do a quick swatch of it. It looks just like this. I like this is the applicator. I really like the clear applicator and everything. So this is the swatch. It looks like it's gonna be really cute, very mauve. It looks more pinkish in like on camera because of the lighting, but it's very a mauve color. Let me scoot back some. Yeah, it's more of a mauve kind of color than it's showing up. Like you can see it, the color like right here, because you put in light, it makes it a little brighter. But yeah, it's really pretty. Next, this is the Lip Pumping Glass in the color Mocha Twist. Now I actually tried this on my lips. I actually tried this, and y'all, when I used this, I thought about Buxom. I had a little sample of Buxom lip gloss which I used up, and that thing right there, it gives you that tingling, that menthol feeling on your lips. This gives you the same exact thing, and I was like, whoa, what is that? So, and it kind of reminds me of Buxom. So if you want a dupe for the Buxom lip gloss, I would suggest using this, because when I used it, the lip gloss stayed on there for a long time. Now if you drink and eat, of course it's gonna go away, but I didn't drink and eat during that time, so I noticed like how my lipstick was staying on there, and I was like, whoa, this cannot be true. And it really is, and it looks just like this. This is the applicator. Love the clear applicator, and I love that it is sheer, so but you still get a little bit of that color in there. It's very pretty, and yes, like it gives you that tingly feeling. It's like it's like it's giving you that pumping feeling. So that right there, I love this. These are lipstick. Both of these was originally $6. I paid $3 for it. I think it was $6. Yeah, $6. I think, yeah, paid $3 a piece for each one of these. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and get more of these, because this reminds me a lot of Buxom. So next I have is this Jet Set Hydration Kit from Elf. This right here is a 5-packet of products for $15. Now these are supposed to be traveling size stuff, so you can take this traveling with you. I paid $7.50 for it because originally $15. But for the price, $15, it's not bad at all either, because you get 5 products. So it also can be like a little testing thing as well. So let me show you what all I got. I got the Daily Hydration Moisturizer, the Daily Face Cleanser, I got the small version of the Prep and Hydrate Balm. I have the Nourishing Night Cream, and this is a good small size. And last thing I have is the Illuminating Eye Cream, which is this little one right here. So I'm going to try this tonight. I want to try the Illuminating Eye Cream. It's clear. You can't see that. Well, it's white, but it has no smell to it. So I never really tried too much of e.l.f. Facial products. So yeah, this is gonna be the first time I actually bought a lot of stuff. Well, I have used some of their products, but I haven't used a lot of their products like that. So the next thing I have is this facial oil, nourishing facial oil. It's like this is supposed to have rose, avocado, and grape seeds in there, and apply to a few drops oil of this directly onto your face in the morning or evening, or mix it with your foundation or your skincare product for adding glow. And this was originally $10. I paid $5 for it. So this is how it looks like. Comes with this little pump. I mean, it comes with this little applicator, a little drip. So yes, so last thing I got is this booster drops clarifying. These are the booster drops clarifying. This is a lightweight booster, supercharged routine with clarifying ingredients for a more even looking complexion. These concentrated drops can be used alone or added into any foundation, liquid, or cream enriched with tree tea and witch hazel. You guys, that's it of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, let me know. Give it a video a thumbs up. Comment down below of the products that you use, or the products that you instantly use or want to know more about. Yeah, or what products you might want me to try out from e.l.f. that could be good as well. But yeah, you guys, but until then, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. But until then, I'll talk to you guys later.